seems to be ready. So we're going now to put you into tutorial groups and we can start the exercise. Once again, the two panels there with the marks for A, B, C, E, F, etc. are kind of laid out, and you can chat on the panel that's on the left-hand side. Really what we're discussing here is exam technique. Yes, we've got an online candidate 2, answers seem more planned, layout is much clearer. Totally agree with that. Totally agree with that. And we've got an answer from the floor here. I'll just read it out for the online people as well.
I was just going to say candidate 2 seems to address the question more explicitly rather than just relay information onto the piece of paper.
I think so.
This is also what's known as a swim lane diagram. Why do you think it's known as a swim lane diagram? Penrith. Hello, are you still there? Why do you think it's called a swim lane diagram?
Because it's got multiple lanes.
Yeah, excellent. Okay, these are not trick questions. Go with me. All right?
Lines and multiple processes as well.
Beg your pardon?
Then you make decisions.
Yes, that's exactly right. Well done. So now we've got a group activity and we're going to run this through the smart boards, okay? So it's going to be a little bit funky, but it's going to work really well. What you've got to do is to assess the advantages and disadvantages of those 3 techniques as they would relate to your company conducting your new project. This is the lean thinking one, value stream maps, 3 advantages. Fantastic. Do you want to explain what you mean by that?
They're basic ideas, so they're short to read, not expanded. It's easier for everyone.
Okay, fantastic. Did everybody hear that?
We will go through today multiple choice questions that are similar to those that you might see in the mid-session exam, and we'll probably at least look at one short answer question. Hopefully the results have come up on your screen, and 88% have said that confocal microscopy. Okay, I've got quite a few responses. Let's have a look. I don't want to type in the text chat what the green arrow might be pointing to. So, yep, then I want you to actually label the features on the images.
That with maybe like.
It looks like some sort of glandular tissue, doesn't it, with that epithelium. Excellent. Thanks, Amanda. Okay, what we're going to do, and we're going to have to do this quite quickly, is to get the individual groups to report back on what they've done. Everyone's attention, group 4.
Okay, so we have the cervix.
Welcome to this tutorial on topic 6. So what we're looking at is hypothesis testing. Okay, we've got 919 and we've got 37. Yep, Michael's got it. Any other questions before we do some exercises? Okay, so exercise set 1, which got somewhere. Yep. Okay, I'll give you 15 minutes.
So today you'll be going to the restaurant, you'll be talking to the waitress, asking her how to make the traditional dish of Chinese dumplings and asking specifically what ingredients are needed. And then you're going to have to go and actually buy those ingredients. But to get to where you need to go to buy them, you're going to have to ask for directions and follow them.
What is your name? C guys. Oh, yeah, I got it. Okay. Yeah.
And what's the best one?
I'm not sure. How to make. Yeah, how to make dumpling. What's the dumpling? Shujiao.
Okay, so welcome to Lecture 3 for Sexology Challenges and Opportunities. As you can see on the slide, we're looking at the introduction to sexual difficulties tonight. What are some of the potential problems that might exist with this language?
The jargon.
The jargon, yep, thanks Vicky.
It's sort of demeaning to clients.
Yeah, so Kate's saying it's demeaning to clients, yep. Anything else? That's too precise, says Fiona back home. Dana says labelling. I would like you to draw the Masters and Johnson sexual response cycle. Oh, it's you, Crystal. Okay. Someone actually got a straight line. That's impressive. What I'm wanting you to do is to think about the 4 Ps, try and identify and explain what they are. Make a preliminary diagnosis including specifiers. And identify any further information required to understand Marion's situation better.
Predisposing, since she was a girl, she was afraid of feeling pain at intercourse.
Yep, so both in the room and back home we've identified predisposing as she, it appears that she had experienced before.
What we're trying to do is hold a live tutorial class where some of the students are in the face-to-face classroom, which is you guys, and others are participating via a virtual world. So if you think virtual worlds are incredibly useful, can you stand up this end? And if you think that they're not at all relevant and useful, can you stand down this end? And facing the rest of the class. Belinda, you're sort of in between those. Could you share your perceptions?
Basically, he's in between those two.
Courtney?
Okay, I think they're irrelevant, that's where I am. Actually, we were just talking about this with my society and culture class.
We're going to do a bit of group work. And what I want you to do is in your groups have a bit of a brainstorm for the advantages and issues. So go outside and to your left and around the brick wall, and there's 3 breakout rooms.
Availability.
Let's look at breakout room 1.
We came up with the idea of running a virtual debate for high school students.
Group 1, a language lesson. So can you explain the idea just in a nutshell?
So basically what we were just saying is that sometimes schools have a sister school overseas